I'm glad that you're here because today what we're gonna do is we're gonna make Nashville hot chicken wings, and we're gonna do it with the pickle infused dressing. So here I have buttermilk, hot sauce, and dill pickle juice. And then what you're gonna do is we're gonna just do some flour breading on. We put them in the flour mixture, and then you just wanna cover them up. PowerXL makes the best air fryers on the planet, of course. They're America's #1 brand of air fryers. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make what we call the Nashville hot sauce. There's about a stick of butter in there, and I melted it. And then here what we have is we have chili powder, we have paprika, we have cayenne pepper, we have garlic powder, we have red pepper flakes, salt and pepper, and brown sugar. And then what we do is we pop it right in here. Now we're gonna make the dill pickle infused dressing. Oh man, these look so
really look
good. I want to just say thank you. I hope you will enjoy your Nashville hot wings. I'll see you guys later.